Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Fidelity. First, you'll need to open a Fidelity crypto account, which is separate from your standard brokerage account. This specialized platform is designed specifically for digital asset trading. Complete the identity verification process and securely link your bank account. This step ensures smooth and compliant transactions, allowing you to fund your account and start trading cryptocurrencies with confidence. Once your Fidelity crypto account is set up, funding it is straightforward. You can easily transfer funds using an electronic funds transfer directly from your linked bank account. A minimum of $10 is required to start, making it accessible for new investors. After funding, navigate to the trading section, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, and input the amount you want to invest. Review your order carefully before confirming. Fidelity Crypto currently offers trading for 3 major cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. This focused selection provides a solid entry point for many investors. When you trade, a flat 1% fee is applied to your transaction amount, which is clearly displayed before you confirm your order. Your buy or sell orders are executed promptly at the current market price, ensuring you get timely access to the market. Fidelity prioritizes the security of your digital assets, utilizing advanced measures to safeguard your investments. It's also important to be aware of the tax implications associated with cryptocurrency transactions, as gains and losses may be reportable. For more details on tax considerations, consult a financial advisor. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. We hope this video helped you understand how to buy crypto on Fidelity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.